Vande Mataram students. Till now we finished with how to find out profit, loss, cost price, selling price. If overheads are given, in that case how to find out total cost price, and that total cost price how to compare with the selling price, that also we have seen. Now question number 5 is based on this mixed question. Somewhere you have to find out the profit, somewhere you have to find out loss, somewhere cost price and selling price. Now let's see with A. Here the cost price is given rupees 15.75 and the profit is given rupees 5.25. Now here you have to find out the selling price. Now cost price with profit is given. In that situation we have to add profit in the cost price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Now what cost price is given rupees 15.75 and profit rupees 5.25. We have to add this 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, that becomes 10, again 1 carry, 5 plus 5 becomes 10 and 1 carry 1, that becomes 11 and 1 carry, that becomes 2. That means here selling price is equal to rupees 21. Now students, see one more example. Here cost price is given rupees 15,550 and loss rupees 565. Now imagine here, we'll imagine one example over here, that Ram bought a refrigerator at rupees 15,550 and he sold it at a loss of rupees 565. Now what is his selling price? Now you have to find out here selling price. Students, when cost price with the loss is given, you have to subtract loss from the selling cost price. That means selling cost price is minus loss, you will get selling price. Cost price is rupees 15,550 minus loss rupees 565. So when we do the subtraction, we will get 15,550 minus 565. We will regroup the number. Becomes 4, becomes 10, 5. Again 4 is smaller than 6. Again we will regroup the number. 14 minus 6 become 8. Again 4 is smaller than 5. Again regroup the number. 14 minus 5 is 9, 4 and 1. Now here selling price is equal to rupees 14,985. Now students, here selling price is rupees 29,995 and profit is rupees 1,235. Now we'll imagine here that Kajol sells her scooty at rupees 29,995 and she makes profit rupees 1,235. Now you have to find out at what price did she buy her scooty. Means here you have to find out the cost price of her scooty. Now students, here selling price with the profit is given. That means you have to subtract this profit from the selling price. You will get the cost price. Now selling price minus profit. That means rupees 29,995 minus 1,235. I will do the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. And 2. So, the cost price is rupees 28,760. That is the cost price of scooty. Now let's see. Selling price is given rupees 32,176 loss is given rupees 2550. Now imagine here Ram sold his mobile at rupees 32,176 and incurred a loss of rupees 2,550. Now you have to find out at what price had he bought a mobile. Means here bought means buying price, that is nothing but the cost price of the mobile you have to find out. Now cost price you have to find out. Here loss is given with the selling price, that means you have to add loss in the selling price, that is selling price plus loss. Rupees 32,176 plus loss rupees 2,550. Now we will add it. 6, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3. So that Ram bought that mobile at rupees 34,726. That is the cost price of the mobile. Now see here word problem. A car dealer sell a car for rupees 2,35,000 and profit of rupees 10,500. At what price did he buy the car? Now what is given in the example we will write first. A car dealer sell a car means here selling price of a car is given, that is rupees 2,35,000. After that profit of rupees 10,500, that means profit is given. Profit is rupees 10,500. Now at what price did he buy the car? Now buy means buying price, that is nothing but the cost price. You have to find out the cost price of the car. Now see students, profit with selling price is given, that time we subtract profit from the selling price. So write down cost price is equal to SP minus profit. Now selling price is rupees 2,35,000 minus profit is rupees 10,500. Now we'll do the subtraction one side. We'll regroup the number. 4, that becomes 2. So here cost price is equal to rupees 2,24,500. We'll make the statement. He bought the car for rupees 2,24,500.